Encountered a DZI file in a web project or museum archive and wondering how to view it? This format powers smooth zooming on massive high-resolution images. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use deep zoom images. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any DZI file. Let's try the simple solutions first. A user typically encounters a .dzi file when working with high-resolution image viewers on the web. Their goal is to display a massive image efficiently without loading the entire file at once. They are looking for a viewer or library that can interpret this XML and its associated image tiles. The .dzi file is a small, human-readable XML file. It was designed to describe a pyramid of image tiles, defining dimensions, format, and overlap. This structure allows a client application, like a web browser, to request only the specific tiles needed for the current viewport and zoom level, enabling fast, interactive viewing. The guiding principle for opening DZI is to use Microsoft Deep Zoom from Microsoft Corporation. Windows can read the file's external properties, but not the internal data structure. Windows provides no structural breakdown, so cataloging programs are required for interpretation. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the data. Right-click the DZI file and click Open With. Test Microsoft Deep Zoom first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right key is on your PC. If your DZI file will not open yet, do not panic. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your DZI file from opening correctly. First, viewing in OpenSeadragon. Use OpenSeadragon, a free JavaScript library, to display DZI files in web browsers. Configure an HTML page with OpenSeadragon, pointing to the DZI URL, and the viewer renders the image with smooth zoom and pan controls supporting touch devices and keyboard navigation. Next, using Deep Zoom Composer. Install Microsoft Deep Zoom Composer to create, view, and modify DZI files locally. Open the DZI file via File, then open Composition. The application displays the multi-resolution pyramid and allows export to alternative tile formats or merging with additional image collections. Finally, converting to standard images. Use VIPs or libvips command line tools to convert DZI tile pyramids back into single high-resolution TIFF or JPEG images. Run VIP's DZI save in reverse or use third-party scripts to stitch tiles for archival purposes when preserving the source image at full resolution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.